Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to check for update. So guys, when you try to update your iPhone to iOS 26 and when you go to update and you will see this kind of error again and again, I will show you that how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. If not, you need to connect it first, and after connecting any strong internet connection, then you need to go back. So guys, for example, I am going to add an internet. So guys, after this you need to go back, and if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network from mobile services, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down, click on general, and after this check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings, and after this go back. So now you have to scroll it down, click on screen time, and click on content and privacy restriction, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here, and after this go back, and you need to check for update again and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.